Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, first video of the year. Today I'll just be showing you how you can use a maxi skirts to make a baby doll dress. So this is like my favorite dress right now. When it comes to dresses, I prefer baby doll dress. So now I'm just going to measure out the length of the half cut, which is 16 inch, but because this dress doesn't have a sleeve, so I'm just going to be minusing 7 inch for the strap and then measure out the 16 inch. That's what I did here. The width I'm using 40 inch because my bust is 34, so I have extra 6 inch for sewing. And this is baby doll dress, supposed to be free, so you can do yours 6 inch wider than your bust or more. So I'm cutting out the half cut now. And if today is your first time on my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below before you leave. I think you should just do it now so that you don't forget at the end of the video. Now back to the tutorial. Next, I'm just going to sew both ends of this half cut. I'm removing 1 inch each, which will make this to be left with 38 inch, so that I have 4 inch extra for my bust. So that's what I did there. Now I'm just going to work on the down part of this dress. This part, there's a 2-layer that's going to take place, so that's what I'm to do now. The down parts of the layer, I'm using 4 inch in width, so that's what I'm doing. So what I'm cutting right now. Oh, and stay to the end of this video so that you see the different ways I style this dress. Next, I'm going to cut out the second layer. And mind you, before you cut out the down part, make sure you minus the half cut, and we are using 16 inch as the half cut, so I'm going to place the tape from 16 inch downward to measure the length I want. So that's what I'm doing here. I want my length overall to be 34, so this is what will give you the actual measurements, because the smaller part is already 4 inch. So I'll be attaching this longer down part to the smaller upper part, and then the down part to this other side. So this is how it's going to look after I gather in the down parts and to match up with the upper layer. Now you see this half cut is slant. That's because when it comes to skirts, the waist is smaller, so it's perfect. Any skirt you have like this, it will work perfectly. That's why I love DIY. So now you attach the top to the down, so this is how it's gonna look like. So ready. I so much love this. Next, I'm using the remaining fabric to cut out the strap. So I'm using 5 inch on the strap. So because this 5 inch, I'm going to close it in two, fold it in two, which will give me 2.5 inch. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to cut out 4 pieces. So just watch closely. So that's it. You fold in two, and then you sew it down like this, Now afterwards, you turn it in. You can use burnish long object to do this. So this is it. It's ready to be attached. Next, you fold this dress in two so that you mark out where the strap will be. You mark out 4 inch from the middle point of this dress, and then attach it. Make sure you mark it out like this, and then next you attach the strap to it. The one or something I like about DIYs like this is because the item you are transforming for is almost as if it's ready for what you need this transformation for. Like the skirt, I just like the fact that where the waist is has a rubber band already that makes it fit so beautifully. So that's is what it's showing here. So this is it. So and it's ready. Just tie the strap and then we are good to go. I so much love this. Like, it's so free, something sunny, something you can wear during the sun. So this is it. Look at the details of the middle point. Just come prepared. Wow, nice. So thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave, and share to your friends, very much important. And follow my IG at Esosandra for more styling ideas. I post my daily styling ideas, and then every tutorial I put here, I put the various way you can actually style them in real life. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. And give this video a thumbs up please. Thanks.